I'm Mallory. I'm a level 5 cookery student at UCOL. I enrolled in this course because I've always loved baking through high school and I immediately knew that I wanted to be a chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a marbled banana bread. This is your step up from your regular banana bread. It's a bit more complex with the chocolate marbling through it, but if you can do it, you can impress all your friends. First step, preheat your oven, always important in a recipe, and I've also weighed out all my ingredients so it's nice, quick and easy. Now the actual cooking part, the first thing you need to do is put your flour, salt, baking soda, whisk it all together. In the bowl of a stand mixer, put your softened butter and your sugar, and we're gonna beat that till it's light and fluffy. Now with your 2 eggs, you add 1 at a time until the last one is evenly mixed through the butter. After the eggs have all been mixed in, we add our flour. Now this wouldn't be banana bread if we didn't have bananas, so we're gonna mash that with a fork till it's nice and smooth. Now we add our mashed banana to the butter and egg mixture, along with our sour cream and vanilla extract. Just combine, do not overmix. Now we've melted our chocolate. I've just melted mine in the microwave, 20-second increments. We're adding the cocoa powder to the melted chocolate. This is a 2-toned banana bread, so we're gonna put about 1 cup of this banana mixture in here, and we're gonna mix the chocolate through it. All that chocolate, yum. Now that we have both of our mixtures, we can add a spoonful alternatively. Once you've got your mismatched spoonfuls of batter in there, take the end of a spoon and we're going to marble it through nice ribbons of different colored batter. Don't overdo it because you still want the colors separate. Now we're going to put this in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Here you go guys, a new fun take on banana bread. Impress your friends and family and try the recipe yourselves.